Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can clean milk pipework. You may see the error, the message. It's a clean milk pipework again. So when you see that message, what you need to do is you need to clean your milk pipework on your Miele machine. So before we do that, you need to get yourself the cleaning agent for milk pipework. Now in this box here, there are hundreds of this cleaning agent, so you only need one pack. Now we're going to open up the front cover, and you need to pull out the water container, which is this one right here on the bottom corner, right hand side. Now this is already filled with water, but I'm going to fill it with lukewarm water. Okay, in this container, we're going to fill the water up to that level right there. You see where it's got the spray symbol, so fill it up to that level. And then I'm going to put in the cleaning agent. Then we'll place it back into the machine. And we close the door. At the top here, I'm going to press on the OK button. And so here, fill the water container with the cleaning agent and lukewarm water up to that symbol. Then tap on OK. And so remove the milk flask and store it in a cool place. So do that and then tap on OK. And so place container under the central spout, which I have already done. Then tap on OK. And now cleaning agent dissolving, time 8 minutes. So we're going to wait for that to finish. Okay, so after a few minutes of waiting, the cleaning started. So here's a cleaning cycle. Time left is 3 minutes. And here's cleaning the pipework. Make sure all the milk pipe working correctly and not getting stuck or blocked, because that can essentially costing you quite a bit of money to get the technician to come out and fix it. Sometimes the milk froth dispenser may even need to be replaced. So it is essential that you clean the milk pipework on your Miele machine. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now, so we need to empty that, so we're going to empty this water container. Then tap on OK. And we also need to empty this one as well. Now, because it's got cleaning agent in it, so give it a good clean. Now it's rinsing, time left 2 minutes. And look at that, the water is now nice and clear. Okay, time left is now 1 minute. And here you can see it still have some bubbles coming out. So even after the rinsing, there are still some bubbles left over. Okay, so now we remove the water container and we have successfully finished, and it's now ready for you to select a drink. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to maintain your Miele coffee machine. Thank you for watching.